Hello everyone, this is Dr. Niharika Chugh from Dr. Niharika Acupuncture Clinic, West Delhi. Well, NetMeds wanted me to educate you all regarding effectiveness of acupuncture in asthma patients. So here I have something really interesting for you all. First, let me brief you a little about asthma. Asthma is one of the very common health conditions in India. There are more than 10 million cases of asthma each year in India, and that's huge. In this condition, the airways they become inflamed, narrowed, swollen, which produce excessive mucus, making it really difficult to breathe. Now, what causes asthma? Asthma is basically an outcome for chronic allergies from various allergens and which varies from patient to patient. And let me tell you something, nobody is born with asthma. Definitely, if both the parents they are asthmatic or they have allergy issues, then the chances of asthma in the kid increases by 75%. And the life of asthmatic patients is really miserable, especially during the change of season. So they have to be dependent upon inhalers, upon bronchodilators, steroids, nebulizers, and it is really very bad. Now, I want to tell all the patients who have asthma or who have allergic issues that they need not be dependent upon the medications throughout their life. Yes, you heard it right. Acupuncture is treatable. It is treatable with acupuncture. But how? How acupuncture treats asthma? So basically, acupuncture works upon the three areas of the patient with asthma. It works upon the immune system, it works upon the blood circulation, and it streamlines the energy flow to lungs and the respiratory tract. So, upon the immune system, how it works? There are certain acupuncture points which enhances the immune system of the person. So, as a result, the response of the patient to the allergens eventually reduces. Secondly, acupuncture also increases the blood circulation towards the lungs and the respiratory tract, thereby reducing the inflammatory response. And thirdly, acupuncture works by opening up the energy blockages to the lungs and the respiratory tract, thereby streamlining the energy flow to the respiratory system. So, whomsoever who is taking acupuncture can see improvement in terms of the symptoms, can see improvement in terms of the lung function, and also in terms of the dosages of medications they are taking. So, eventually, their dependency upon the medications reduces. And apart from the acupuncture treatment, the patient is always given certain lifestyle and dietary changes to pace up their recovery. So, first of all, they are recommended that they should identify their triggers and should avoid them, especially during the initial stages of the treatment when their immune system is not up to the mark. But eventually, when their immune system starts getting better, then they can slowly and gradually expose them to the allergens also. Then, secondly, consumption of tea and coffee is recommended for asthma patients because it has certain biological chemical substances which enhance bronchodilation. Then, third is they are asked to avoid fatty and greasy diet because it provokes inflammation. And then they are also asked to they consume vegetables and fruit which are rich in antioxidants. For example, strawberries, tomatoes, spinach, broccoli, they are good for them. And last but not the least, I always tell my patients that stay active and stay calm because stress is one of the very, very profound trigger for asthma patients. So listen to calming music, meditate, go for breathing exercises, go for morning walks, and it is really very helpful for them. So I conclude myself here and I hope that this video is definitely going to help the patients who have asthma or chronic allergies and will open up new horizons of healing to them. Thank you.